Last week I cleaned up this place and I wonder why. Oh, that's right, to make an even bigger mess. I got all the bigger chunks of insulation out and one of the ribs, so time to finish what I started. And to clean up the mess. Again. And then up to the roof, because that roof won't build itself. This is all the insulation that I have prepared for the roof right now, and it is unbelievably in my way. As I really want to try to figure out how I am going to build the pointed roof, which is going to be exactly here. So in order to move around here and even start to think about that, I need to get rid of all this insulation. So let me think, where shall I leave that? Oh, I've got an idea. One last time I have to make the fourth layer on that piece of the roof, and then I'm totally done on that side. And then I can put all the insulation that is still here on this side of the roof. And then I can start to work on the next phase. But first, the last piece. So it's incredible how far I have come this week with the installation. I'm really astonished about how much I've done. I'm just so glad that this is all done and in. And yes, a fourth layer is definitely a whole lot of extra work. But I am going to be so glad that I did that, because this insulation value, oh, this is going to be incredible. It's really, even when I'm sitting here, it's already warm. So yeah, this is just going to be so fantastic. I'm really happy that this is all done. It feels like I finished a phase and I'm going into the next one, which is going to be the other side of the roof, which includes a pointed roof. And that is really something that I am, well, not quite sure of how to build yet. Well, I've got a whole week for that, and it doesn't even have to be done in 1 week, so I'll figure it out, I guess. And I also am not going to neglect the inside of the container, because there is a lot of work there as well. At the very least, I'll be working on it, and if you want to see that as well, just click on the subscribe button and the notification bell if you haven't already. And I really, really love to see you next week again. See you then!